Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: How does the Reserve Bank of India use the repo rate to control inflation? Answer B. By making borrowing costlier. Question: Why is the cash reserve ratio, CRR, considered a powerful monetary policy tool? Answer B. It regulates the liquidity available to banks. Question: If inflation is rising rapidly, which monetary policy stance is the RBI most likely to adopt? Answer C. Contractionary. Question: How does an increase in the statutory liquidity ratio, SLR, affect bank lending? Answer B. Decreases lending capacity. Question: What is the primary difference between the repo rate and the reverse repo rate? Answer C. Repo rate is the rate at which banks borrow from RBI. Reverse repo is rate RBI borrows from banks. Question: How does the RBI's monetary policy impact the exchange rate of the Indian rupee? Answer A. Higher repo rate generally strengthens the rupee. Question: Why might the RBI choose to lower the cash reserve ratio during economic slowdown? Answer B. To increase liquidity and encourage lending. Question: Which of the following best explains the concept of Liquidity Adjustment Facility, LAF? Answer A. RBI's mechanism to inject or absorb liquidity through repo and reverse repo operations. Question: How does open market operations, OMO, influence the money supply? Answer A. By RBI buying or selling government securities to banks. Question: When RBI adopts an accommodative monetary policy, what is its likely objective? Answer B. To stimulate economic growth. Question: What role does the Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, play in India's monetary policy? Answer B. It sets the policy interest rates based on inflation targeting. Question: Why is inflation targeting important in RBI's monetary policy framework? Answer A. It helps maintain price stability and economic growth. Question: How can a rise in reverse repo rate signal RBI's monetary policy stance? Answer A. RBI wants to absorb excess liquidity. Question: In the context of monetary policy, what is meant by quantitative easing? Answer A. Increasing money supply by buying government securities. Question: How does RBI's monetary policy affect credit growth in the economy? Answer A. By changing interest rates and liquidity, it influences banks' lending behavior. Question: Why is a high statutory liquidity ratio, SLR, considered a constraint on banks? Answer A. It reduces the funds available for lending. Question: How does the RBI use monetary policy to manage inflation expectations? Answer A. By transparent communication and interest rate adjustments. Question: which monetary policy tool is most effective in controlling short-term liquidity in the banking system? Answer A. Open market operations. Question: how does an increase in repo rate influence consumer spending? Answer A. It discourages borrowing, reducing spending. Question: what is the impact of a lower reverse repo rate on the banking system? Answer A. Banks prefer to lend more rather than park funds with RBI. Question: why is monetary policy considered more flexible than fiscal policy? Answer A. It can be adjusted more frequently and quickly by RBI. Question: how does RBI's monetary policy influence inflation without directly controlling prices? Answer A. by regulating money supply and interest rates, affecting demand. Question: what is the likely consequence if RBI keeps the repo rate too low for an extended period? Answer A. risk of high inflation and asset bubbles. Question: how do changes in monetary policy affect the fiscal deficit? Answer A. indirectly through interest rates and economic growth. Question: which of the following best describes the concept of neutral interest rate in monetary policy? Answer A. the rate that neither stimulates nor restricts economic growth. Question: how does RBI's monetary policy stance affect foreign investment inflows? Answer A. higher interest rates attract foreign capital. Question: why is the Monetary Policy Committee's decision considered independent in India? Answer A. it is free from government interference in setting interest rates. Question: what is the impact of a contractionary monetary policy on unemployment? Answer A. it may increase unemployment due to reduced economic activity. Question: how does RBI's monetary policy support sustainable economic growth? Answer A. by balancing inflation control with growth promotion through interest rate adjustments. Question: why is coordination between monetary and fiscal policy important? Answer A. to ensure overall macroeconomic stability and effective policy outcomes. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.